vivacious animals as food, they would not fulfill the purpose for which the wisdom of the Creator has designed them. In the absence of alkalis and phosphates, no blood, no milk, no muscular fiber can be formed. Without phosphate of lime, our horses, sheep, and cattle would be without bones. In the urine and in the solid excrement of animals we carry ammonia, and consequently nitrogen, to our cultivated plants, and this nitrogen is accompanied by all the mineral elements of food exactly in the same proportions in which both are contained in the plants which served as food to the animals, or what is the same, in those proportions in which both can serve as nourishment to a new generation of plants, to which both are essential. The effect of an artificial supply of ammonia as a source of nitrogen is therefore precisely analogous to that of humus as a source of carbonic acid. It is limited to a gain of time, that is, it accelerates the development of plants. This is of great importance, and should always be taken into account in gardening, especially in the treatment of the kitchen garden, and as much as possible in agriculture on a large scale, where the time occupied in the growth of the plants cultivated is of importance. When we have exactly ascertained the quantity of ash left after the combustion of cultivated plants which have grown upon all varieties of soil, and have obtained correct analysis of these ashes, we shall learn with certainty which of the constituent elements of the plants are consistent and which are changeable, and we shall arrive at an exact knowledge of the sum of all the ingredients we withdraw from the soil in different crops. With this knowledge the farmer will be able to keep an exact record of the produce of his fields in harvest, like the account book of a well-regulated manufactory, and then by a simple calculation he can determine precisely the substances he must supply to each field, and the quantity of these, in order to restore their fertility. He will be able to express in pounds weight how much of this or that element must be given in order to augment its fertility for any given kind of plants. These researches and experiments are the great desideratum of the present time. To the united efforts of the chemists of all countries we may confidently look for a solution of these great questions, and by the aid of enlightened agriculturists we shall arrive at a rational system of gardening, horticulture, and agriculture, applicable to every country and in all kinds of soil, and which will be based upon the immutable foundation of observed facts and philosophical induction. Section 15.